A block of weight 1 Newton is moving with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. The force on the block is 1 Newton, 9.8 Newton, 1 by 9.8 Newton, 4.9 Newton. The correct answer is C, 1 by 9.8 Newton. Which property of a block of metal remains constant when the metal is heated? Density, length, mass, volume. The correct answer is C, mass. A particle moves in a plane with a constant acceleration in a direction different from the initial velocity. The path of the particle is an ellipse, a parabola, a straight line, an arc of circle. The correct answer is B, a parabola. Bauxite is an ore of AlCuAgFe. The correct answer is A, Al. To which groups halogen occupy in periodic table? 1A, 2A, 5A, 7A. The correct answer is 7A, D. The formula of chalk is CaCO3, CaC, MgCO2, CuCO2. The correct answer is CaCO3. Which one of the following is a male reproductive part of a flower? Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. The correct answer is C, androecium. Lichens are symbolic association of fungi with green plants, plant root, green algae, plant leaf. The correct answer is green algae. Cytology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of tissue, cells, bryophytes, pteridophytes. The correct answer is B, cells. Which one of the following is not unit of length? Radian, angstrom, light year, micron. The correct answer is A, radian. A man drops an apple in the lift. He finds that the apple remains stationary and does not fall. The lift is going down with constant speed, going up with constant speed, going down with constant acceleration, going up with constant acceleration. The correct answer is C, going down with constant acceleration. Which of the following is an example of organic insecticide? Aldrin, lead arsenate, lime, sulfur, fluorides. The correct answer is C, lime, sulfur. Number of electrons present in Fe3 plus are 23, 22, 24, 29. The correct answer is A, 23. Formula of sulfide ion is SO4, SSO3, HSO4. The correct answer is A, SO4. DNA is found in plant cell, animal cell, only some plant cells, both A and B. The correct answer is D, both A and B. Amphibia reproduces asexually by means of binary fission, multiple fission, sporulation, budding. The correct answer is binary fission. Which of the following forms the male gametes in plants? Stamen, anther, pollen grain, androecium. The correct answer is B, anther. Ginger is the modified root, stem, leaf, fruit. The correct answer is stem. The increase in number of RBC causes anemia, leukopenia, polycythemia. The correct answer is D, polycythemia. Which one of the following is true fish? Cuttlefish, devilfish, silverfish, flying fish. The correct answer is B, devilfish. Inheritance of acquired characters is the main theme of Lamarck theory, Darwin theory, germ plasm theory, mutation theory. The correct answer is Lamarck theory. The numbers of bones present in phalanges, right arm of women is 12, 14, 13, 11. The correct answer is 14. Which one of the following is lightest gas? Nitrogen, helium, oxygen, hydrogen. The correct answer is hydrogen. Optical fiber works on the principle of total internal refraction, polarization, interference. The correct answer is B, total internal reflection. Photocell convert light energy into mechanical energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy, thermal energy. The correct answer is electrical energy. The dot ray has the highest value of frequency UV, X, gamma, beta. The correct answer is C, gamma. Lateral roots arise from endodermis, pericycle, cortex, hypodermis. The correct answer is B, pericycle. The percentage of nitrogen in urea is 46%, 23, 28, 18%. The correct answer is A, 46%. Geographic factor is humidity, soil texture, rainfall, wind. The correct answer is B, soil texture. The living component inside the cell of algae is vacuole, chloroplast, cell wall, starch. The correct answer is B, chloroplast. Typhoid is caused by a bacteria of the genus Clostridium, Salmonella, Diplococcus, Corynebacterium. The correct answer is B, Salmonella. The covering of the mammalian heart is myocardium, epicardium, endocardium, pericardium. The correct answer is D, pericardium. Chromatography was discovered by Kekulé, Pauling, Rutherford, Speight. The correct answer is D, Speight. AIDS is not transmitted by blood transfusion, sneezing and coughing, sexual contact using same needle. The correct answer is B, sneezing and coughing. Which blood cell is commonly called erythrocyte, RBC, WBC, platelets, none? The correct answer is a red blood cell. An OLA is compound element mixture, none? Correct answer is C, mixture. Ball pen functions on the principle of viscosity, Boyle's law, gravitational force, surface tension. The correct answer is D, surface tension. The purest form of coal is peat, anthracite, ignite, bituminous. The correct answer is B, anthracite. The value of G at pole is 9.78 meter per second square, 9.83, 10, 9. The correct answer is B, 9.83 m per second square. Glycerol is a monofunctional compound, difunctional compound, trifunctional compound, non-functional compound. The correct answer is C, trifunctional compound. यस्तै भिडियोको लागि मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला। त्यसैगरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नभुल्नु होला। धन्यवाद।